So we solve this question. Find the greatest number among 2 to the power 60, 3 to the power 48, 4 to the power 36 and 5 to the power 24. So for this we have to equal the powers of each number. So for to do so, we have to find GCD or LCM of this number 60, 48, 36 and 24. So we will get 12 is the LCM of this number. So we will express as 2 to the power 12. So 2 to the power 60 can be written as 2 to the power 5 to the power 12. So this will be 2 to the power 5, that is 32 to the power 12, and this will be written as 3 to the power 4 into 12, that is 4 to the power 12. So this will be 81 to the power 12, and this will be 4 to the power 3, this will be 12, so equal to 64 to the power 12, and this will be 5 to the power 2 whole to the power 12, so this equal to 25 to the power 12. So we know x to the power m and y to the power m. If the power is same, then x and y clarify the greatest number. So whenever x greater than y, then this will be greater than. Whenever y greater than x, then it will be this. So from this we get this is 81 to the power 12, and 81 is greater than 32, 64, 25. So this will be greater among these numbers. So this number will be greatest number. So from this answer will be 3 to the power 48 is the greatest number. So this will be the answer. Okay.